Haven't you heard of First TV?
Home of Nollywood movies.
Subscribe now.
First TV. Don't touch that cat.
It's night already. How is it going? He's still up now.
Get me a glass of water and something to eat.
Yeah. Okay, no problem. But you need to hurry up, because we can't spend one more day here. Please.
I can only offer my best. You brought this upon yourself.
Closer.
Louis, what happened to your phone? I've been trying to reach you and Sebastian.
I guess it's network, sir.
Fine. I'm calling to inform you that I'll be arriving back home tomorrow. Louis, are you there?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I heard you. You said you'll be returning tomorrow, sir.
Louis. Louis.
Sir.
Is everything all right?
Everything is fine, sir. We cannot wait to see you, sir.
Good. Very well. I will be on the midday flight. Please, inform Sebastian.
All right. Bye-bye, sir. There's trouble.
Where is the food and water I asked for?
Leave food and water first. My boss will be coming back tomorrow. It means once that happens, I'm doomed. Everything I'm hustling for will just go down the drain like that. I'm going to lose all members of my family and lose my life.
You can't watch that happen. You must not let him step his feet into this compound.
Ajofia, but I told you the same thing before now. I asked you the same question. How am I going to stop a man from entering his own house? How?
Do something. Do something. Try something. Don't tell me you are giving up. Or are you really that?
Okay. What do you suggest?
Use your head. Use your imagination. Try anything possible.
We can't continue like this. We deserve peace. Not as long as we're still in this house. I promise to get you out from here. I stand on that promise. The one we have been waiting for returns today. We can't fight him individually. We need to fight him together. First, we have to fight this hex. What hex? There's a presence in this house. Neutralize his powers. Then prepare for the main battle. Ajofia.
Louis! My man, it can't be like say you forget guy man for area. What's up now?
Bros, no be like that. See, I have something I need you to do for me. It's very important. There's also a lot of money involved.
Now you're speaking my language. Now you are speaking my language, so. Okute to the rescue. So what's the deal about?
Once I drop the call, I'll send you a message on WhatsApp, okay? Check your WhatsApp, you see the details. Guy, don't mess this up, please. Do a clean job for me, very clean job. Once you deliver, let me know. I'll tell you what next to do, okay? All right, fine, good.
Okute the living stone. Anyone? We've got rescue to do.
Location?
Airport Waka Waka side.
Officer, this is not fair. I've been here since yesterday and you've refused to let me go.
That is because you refused to tell me your husband's whereabouts.
He never told me his whereabouts. Can I tell you the truth?
Shoot.
Our relationship hasn't been rosy because he has no job. And money isn't coming from anywhere.
So, why didn't you say it all this while?
You should have investigated that yourself. That's your job.
Officer, this is not fair. Why on earth would you let her go? She knows where my brother is.
The police force does not work on hearsay or assumption. We work with evidence. She has a strong alibi. And trust me, I feel your brother must have abandoned home.
That's not true. Officer, you do not know this woman. This woman is wicked. She goes around spreading hate and calling nature. Let me even ask you. Did she shed crocodile tears while trying to convince you of her innocence?
Listen, I suggest you make a formal report about the missing of your brother. And I assure you that the police force will do everything within its power to make sure your brother is found. Okay? Morning, sir. Excuse me. On my way, sir.
That girl must be a very wicked girl. To even accuse you of your husband's disappearance. Who does she think she is?
My sister, I lost words that day. Now I see how innocent people are being accused of doing something when their hands are entirely clean.
But your husband no try. He no try. He didn't even bother to drop any forwarding address. Oh, doesn't mean he doesn't care about you anymore.
You see why I keep complaining about him.
Hey.
Louis thinks about himself. I keep wondering how and why I got entangled with that kind of man.
It's high time you got yourself busy.
How do you mean?
Staying idle will not help matters.
You're right. Yeah, hello? Can you imagine? That small witch coming arrested.
Uncle, my mother is dead. Never wanna. Hey! Never! Never!
Hello? Hello, Oga?
Sebastian.
Sir? Wait on, sir. Wait on, sir.
Why haven't I been reaching you?
Sir, network. Bad network, sir.
Where are you?
Eh?
I said, where are you?
Sir, at the house. At the house.
Anyway, I will be on my way to the airport to catch my flight in the next 20 minutes. I'll be with you in an hour or more. Meanwhile, someone is coming to the house to see me. Make sure you keep him entertained. Do I make myself clear? Sebastian,
sir?
You are not sounding like someone who is in my house. Where are you?
Our house, sir. Hello? Hello? Hey. Wahala dey. Hey, Oga don dey come back. Hey, I need to dey house. Hey, who won't go back that house? Chineke. Hey.
Yes, just arrived. I'm heading home. So, where are you? Okay. I spoke with Louis yesterday, and earlier today I spoke with Sebastian. Though I had a tough time trying to reach them. Yes. Okay. See you then. Thank you. Bye-bye. Okay.
Yeah, guy. Give me update. Yes, how far? Good job. I trust you. All right, just hang on. In a short while, I'll call you. I'll give you updates. Okay? Good job. Thank you. Hi. Adolfia, I've taken care of my boss. At least we'll have enough time. Let's get this thing over and done with.
Good. You have proven you have balls after all.
Thank you. So what next? Where were we? Let's wrap this thing up now. That's your plan. Will it work?
I told you this will be difficult.
Adolfia, that's not it all. You should have just gone ahead to tell me the truth that this thing will not work. You should have told me. See what I'm going through now. My whole life is almost ruined. I've lost almost all my members of my family. I just switched off my phone. I can't put it off because of fear of getting news of that person's death. You should have told me now.
I know all this. Your outburst is because of fear. Fear has taken over you right from the onset, and that is why you have found yourself in this mess.
That is not it. I'm in this mess because you lied to me. I'm not a child. What you told me is that once I go out of your shrine, any girl I see, I'll just take the girl and do something with her. That thing was all nonsense. See the problem I'm in now, your ritual doesn't work.
Fear. The major reason tortoise carries the weight of its house is simply fear. I hate to work with feeble-hearted men. Do not contact me on this again. Remain here with the ghost.
While you go where? I remain and you go where? Okay, sit down there. You think I'm a child? You think I'm a child? Come and pass. Pass here, let's see.
You dare me?
Yes, I dare you.
I will turn you into something else.
Clap for yourself. It's when you see me, you have power. Have you been able to turn those two spirits into anything? Have you done that? It's when you see me, you have power. Turn now. Come and pass here. Ordinary ritual that small boys are doing on the street, you cannot do. You want to run away.
Are you sure about this? I mean, you can always go on without me and leave your soul to suffer. We are one. I don't know if you realize that already. I came back for you. Together we will fight this. Do you trust me? I trust you.
Please, young man. I'm sure you know me very well. I don't know who put you into this, but I am willing to double whatever amount you were paid to do this.
Silence. Silence. I don't want you talking. I do not want you talking. See, we are here on an assignment. And when we are done with the assignment, we'll let you go.
See, I'm not even touching comments. We don't know the joke. See, no one will do it. But
Look. I am willing to pay you 50 million naira in cash or transfer in any desired currency. All I want is that allow me to go back to my house. A lot is going wrong right there, right now. Please.
Okay, see, if I hear one more word from you and I will scatter your brain all over this place. I will pieces your skull here. I said we are here on an assignment, and when we are done with the assignment, we will let you go. Do I look hungry to you? No, do I look hungry to you? I am contented with what I have, period.
See, that money makes sense. Now better retirement plan be that. Imagine the better life. We come buy those cars we say we see them for TV. Come add better woman join body. I reason this matter now.
OJ, aka JJ. Do you know why you're still breathing in air? Na because say you be my man. If no be say you be my man, I for don't throw away you since. You see that beautiful life plan where they for here? For this money. OJ, aka JJ. See, Louis, now my man. Now my very good friend. I know if he betray Louis now. I know fit. See, if eventually Louis bring message to release the man, I will let him go now. If you bring message, I will go let him go. You don't understand, Abi?
I feel you.
Beautiful life, no nonsense. Beautiful life plan. It's rubbish. Make us stroll out. What do you call?
Thanks, indeed.
is there?
What is it? And what do you want? Must you always bring in troubles to my doorstep?
Please, I need to see my brother. What have you done to him?
There she goes with her accusations. Who do you want to bring next? The army? I beg, your brother is not here.
Please wait. We've lost my mom. We've lost my mom and my younger brother. I need to know if Brother Louis is okay.
Sorry, she was my mother-in-law too. Sorry for our loss. Yes. But it was obvious I wasn't welcomed in your family.
Please, I need to see my brother.
I would have said this long time ago. Your brother is a bastard.
Why did you call him that?
I wish there was another word to describe him. Well, for starters, when next to see him, tell him this marriage is done.
Hey! Louis!
Sebastian.
So you did this house. So you come back to this house, Louis. Meanwhile, where the people where Oga said and they wait for him here?
Where have you been since? I've been worried about you.
Now that one they ask me, where have you been since? When you go waka, go carry problem. Put for your head. Carry and put there, won't drag me, enter inside the problem. I just gently come up for here. Make you deal with your problem once you are done. I say I don't come now, don't come back. I beg, may you no go kill me. I beg, where the people where Oga said and they wait for him here? So the spirit came when you didn't want this house. You don't Okay. Evil. You are an evil man. You want to use me. You want to kill me. You think I don't know. Your plans, you want to kill me. But I will show you who are working out in Pericoma. Come and use me, let me see. They are killing him. Come on.
Stop shouting. Ajofia is here to help us. Allow him to.
Ajofia is here to help you. Because Ajofia is here to help you. Anything you bring upon your head should be on your head. Nothing concern your native doctor. You know. I beg, chairman, no verse. Anything where you want to, I beg. Do them fast. Our God don't they come back. Our God they road now they come here, I beg. Anything, just run and fast. Maybe they go. Biko, I beg.
What do you want?
Etienne, one that can benefit the both of us.
Remember, she can never be trusted.
What deal?
I will accept your request, only on one condition.
What's the condition?
We will have intercourse. In a location I choose in this house, as my own spot.
No. You must do what we have said. You will do as we have said, so that everybody can go home happily.
When you're ready, you know what to do. I'm sure you don't want the only family you have left dead.
Ajofia, why does she want it in her own location? Why does she have to choose?
Okwanonka, go yourself. When dealing with spirits, remember they are terrestrial. She wants to lure you to become a transport.
Transport? Transport to where and for what?
For her sister to escape this house.
This is serious. My concern is to make sure Louis lives. I wonder why he never tried to reach us.
It baffles me too, Uncle. I sense danger. I lost my younger brother and my mother to a mysterious circumstance. Uncle, I feel something is not right. And I know you feel it too.
Even when your younger brother died, I knew something was wrong. I would have followed my instinct. These are dangerous times.
Uncle, we need a solution now more than ever. What do we do?
Go get dressed. Go.
Haven't you heard of First TV.
Home of Nollywood movies.
Subscribe now.
First TV. Don't touch that.